And the theory, you wrong me. Imara will not do worship. I not do you anything. Now you they oppress me. Good morning, good afternoon. Please share this video out. I just want to come and tell you guys that I'm on live video. You understand, on YouTube, my Esther Talk Show TV. Please join us on YouTube. Please, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You understand? So the proof don't come out now. Eddie Murphy is the house. Good morning, good evening, good night. I know my voice. Don't mind my voice. I dey drink tea and honey. You understand? This my voice will crack, so that Eddie Murphy na make a crack. Wait till come day before yesterday. Eddie Murphy promised to bring, as they take that group. He said go bring the come out yesterday. I see Eddie Murphy for life. Eddie Murphy be want distract me. Eddie Murphy be want distract me so that make him for maybe for he come dey tell me wetin happen since 2016 abi 2016. He come want divert my face. Go. He say why I come dey curse you? Why I come dey disturb you for social media? Na Joba talk me. Now he come pull out for your head. Now I say, why you not ask me that time? Why you not carry all the ayelala paper where you dey carry now? So that make I forswear for you say not be me. The old Dutchland, the old Northern West Valley know say Joba talk me na liar. Nobody will not know Joba talk me. Oba talk me can lie. Germany, everybody go run go Africa. We'll go start Germany for Africa. As Oba talk me Irish. Eddie Murphy the house have been want to divert my face. Come on for say make I for think say not be him. Sorry guys. Make I first drink this tea first because see my shirt. See my shirt don't stay. But it doesn't matter, I go dry just now. Hello. Hello? Yes, you will call me 8 o'clock. If I'm doing a program, you call me. Okay, bye-bye. So, as I was saying, my people, make I dry this thing first. This makeup where I do so now, 15 minutes makeup, I go post on later. You fit do a very easy and simple makeup. Video I go post on later. Make my better Benin people, my better Nigeria, my followers, my subscriber, make the whole world still learn. I am not expert, but I'm here to teach what I know. I don't know it all, but I am teaching. I'm here for good. I'm not here for evil like Eddie Murphy. Where want to have everybody enter us. And Monica, where they use Juju Monica. Your Juju don't fail now. Iyore and you understand. Your Juju don't fail now. My people, make I still drink my tea. Now only this thing go fit clear my throat. Only this thing go fit honey and tea. Honey. The clear throat. Now Eddie Murphy make my throat crack like this. So when we come to the argue, he want on my face. He say, "No, Joba talk me. Make her for not the chat today for social media." Eddie Murphy, oh, Eddie Murphy know your trouble. Uwa la diave no de. Uwa do tinu wa no bare. Ayela la group. Umalatia. So you wanted to make use of yourself, your small brain. You don't know say no mama there. You don't know. It don't say where you did do me. And what did you tell me yesterday? Day before yesterday. You say you not there, you not join, you go find the comments from me. Make I not worry. You promise me everything they record. I record you. I don't say you say record me. Now tomorrow, now I'm gonna play your record. When you go to the talk, say Nila wo ni egui Joba talk pe no. Eddie Murphy ma wo we Joba talk pe o se wo ke na ta wo ise. We Eva ya ni Renata West Valley. We do that a job talk no more ye mon. Or when I do at maybe Jimas and Facebook. Una got so young. Una got I mean your panu mau. At the muffin of your tobo. Who waited to block him on no? Akaka you at the end of the day. At the end of the day, at the muffin of your tobo. Iji meri ukwu mo bugwe ni ya bimia. Abiera me no reyi okpokugwe bi aga akokugwe. Emi nugwe kwa log me ba for since 2016 to 2020 na no ye log me ba e di muffin of your tobo ma pa eva. Oga yi mo gwa ye vo record ni e di muffin. O manu mani gbi ogwa we. Ena ime okpopo me ba kege ni ate e di muffin of your tobo. Wa mi o e wa mie edimofi nuwe ejena edimofi wa uja yiwoto oni eruni eka nanu. So my people, now so I know see this devil man edimofi and isoken no gyomba. Now so they call me. Make I not insult them again. Make I bear, make I forgive them. Not be their fault. Now, let me call the house. It's okay. When you call this euro, what me do you? Not be me advise you how to take repair the muffin life. Waiting me do you? When be say you consider your husband dead there, they call me wish for live video. They tell me I shower, they insult una children, not be my children. They say make I they return. That's if they call you a shower, if they call your children, not be me. If they call even for your present, you carry the muffin, go police station, you go live for yet. You do everything, you use everybody against me. People where I use una no, you go they live for them one by one. They destroy me. Eddie Murphy, you see, say you're evil, you will never change. You will never change. You are Monica. Monica now tomorrow night be the summer day. Or the many say I blocked them for my WhatsApp. I block una for my WhatsApp. You understand me? Because I not do anything. No talk of say now you can't still come and come they talk for live video. You say nobody don't give me a yellow paper. Upon all as I don't do, upon all as I don't do, nobody don't give me a yellow paper. Eddie Murphy, your brain, it be like rubber bag. Your brain, it be like cellophane. We swear the one swear for you again compared to the one where you drink for palace. Compared to the one where you drink for palace. We swear. They won't swear for you again. They use this swear say, may you leave Benin people alone. May you start to the disturb. Not be only palace. Now with your bad children too. May you start to the lie. You see the thing where you and Monica they do so. It's against our tradition. If you are disturbing Benin people where they not do you anything, it's a crime. It's a sin. Especially me. Since how many years now? 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. 4 good years. Why you can't wait for 4 good years before you can't tell me say now waiting job I talk but I tell you. Now I make where you do what you do. Why you wait? My people. Why you wait? You be want to distract me. You see, say my sense don't pass you. My sense don't pass you. My sense ugly. Also where? So my people, Mona call YouTube. Mona can't listen to audio. Where Ayelala 2 audio where for change math. He say na Edo Umagbanedo of Europe. Call YouTube. I go off Facebook. I go call YouTube now. Mona subscribe to my YouTube channel. Esther Talk Show TV. Please guys, come to YouTube. You understand my people? He say na Umagbanedo people for Europe. Now we can't say we need all their pictures. Now we say we need all their pictures. If you way if post that Ayelala paper put for Facebook. Now if you deny say no the people will carry the Ayelala. Una see una self. You can run, you can't hide. God will fish you out. God will search you out. And God will disgrace you. Shame and disgrace will be your portion. He will never be well with you. He will never be well with you. As soon as take get hand for that Ayelala paper. So I'm gonna call you to my people. Bye-bye. As I make I call invite to now call YouTube. You understand? So I dey struggle with my YouTube. I need to build my YouTube channel. So if you don't know my YouTube channel, press the link on top of this video. Make you for on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel on the notification bell. So that whenever I'm live, they go give you notification. Say I did live. If not, you not go know. My people now where they watch me for YouTube. They on the notification bell. I make them they know how many people I don't do the video before they come watch them. You understand? So now be the thing. Let me see how many people will want follow me on YouTube. Make I drop the link of YouTube for them. You understand? Everybody knows say Jehovah talk by. Make I play the list for now. Mona wait. The people where they the evil group. Mona wait me I read the list for now. May I read that for now? Clement Omede, that be their number one. Eddie Murphy Idahosa, that be their president for the group. Monica Ambrose, that be the vice president of the group. Umagbane Do group. You understand? Then, if you robber, come and do, I will pay. No you or social media. No you yani redo. AKA come and see. Come and see. Then FA, I don't know, FA member. They say if you're not secretary. They say if you're not secretary. Hello, my sister. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Oh.
Iyanji.
Bele.
I am.
Monty we know the area we like.
What contribute here?
Okay, we live video.
Live video with Facebook.
Yeah,
YouTube.
No,
Iwa mi omadi me WhatsApp. Gbe ya go me ni gbon egwe. Baba na laji. Okay, ya send egwe. Okay, we see. You understand me now? Yeah, I read that for now again. Make I read that for now again. Mona subscribe to my YouTube channel now. Beg Mona come Mona help me. Mona help me oh. I mean social media now. Monica remember. Ogweni lagwa. The Murphy remember. Ogweni lagwa. Iya jame yawe so in live video now. Ite we live video. Ite wa dressing me. Iwa gbe ti ahun. Here is a bully. They don't bully me tire. They don't insult me tire. Ah, enawa. Iya na mebe the video mebe working me mebe yatamia go regbe no know that even the movie gbe ti ebo me ba no ti me different name no name will never call me no name you know tell me say na oba talk pe where everybody know say na lie for Germany here after about talk pe na Eddie Murphy want distract me. So that make her forget. Make her forget. See. Make her for not talk about the matter again. Hey, where this thing where they read just okay. Be like saying here. Why not agree show now? The list where they read just now. May I feed that finish my people? You understand? After 4 years, Eddie Murphy want distract me for the lie where they talk, for the fake Ayelala, for the fake meeting where they did. He want distract me. He just call me. If person tell me say the Murphy go call me and it's okay. They begged me there before yesterday. I don't go believe me. I be like him. Now say you're not very now. You're not very now. You're not very now. Now we begin. They ask the question. Say, what do we do you? It's okay. You forget say me na wish too. He say yes. So why you can't dey let your useless husband can't they do me like that? They humiliate me. They laugh on my head. They call me all names. Why una not give me a yellow paper that time? Why una not ask me? Why una not tell me say na joy oba talk be? Make I for tell una say not be me. Make I draw both una or no oba talk be. Make I for draw una far. So what am I all? What am I? So they say Monica Ambrose for the Devil Group. Now she be vice president. Then if you're a bar, come and do, I will pay. Now she be the secretary. Efe Bright member. Akimila, Kilimila, Wishmila. They say na member. Susie na member. Ah, Mama Susie. So you be member. So you side them, make they go give us. Ayela la paper, Mama, call me. You felt they call me before, call me, make you call tell me the truth. Because what you know, say they not go do you, not do it to anybody, Mama. With due respect. Now because say you they call me since then before, now me not go talk to you. So Mama, I beg, may you call me again. You felt they call me. No, now tell us the truth. Now only the truth now we need because for Benin people. More na see Monica where they talk say if I need my I'm here. Now you can't talk say Monica. Now you can't talk say you don't sit there. The people where do the thing. You don't sit there. The people where talk say now be the big group. Now be the better people from social media. How you tell no Monica? How you tell no? Monica, you are going to swear Ogwomba. You are going to swear Ayelala. You are going to swear all the swear for this life before we go there tomorrow. It's just few hours to go. It's just few hours to go, Monica. You go swear. You, Eddie Murphy, Ivie, anything, una must swear first before anything. You notice on our guesses. Mona call you to my people. Thank you all so much for coming.